Hi guys, for one of my swaps I have to make an A7 envelope, which is 5 by 7, and I'm just going to make that now. And if you are curious on how I make it, you can keep watching. So in order for me to make this envelope, I take an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and long ways I'm going to score at 2 and 7 1/4. Oops. And then I'm going to turn it to the portrait size, and I'm going to do 5/8.
I think you're
Okay, so
you mind if I move this a little closer to us?
yes, that's fine. Okay, so we're going to score it 5/8. And then we're going to flip it and score at 5/8 again. I don't know if I'm in frame, but oops. Okay. So then what we're going to do is, you're not going to be able to see this too good, but I'm going to make my notches. So I'm going to cut from here up to the first score line. And I'm going to cut this piece out. Same thing on this side, from here to the first score line. Cut that out. And then I'm just going to cut a little triangle from here to the point. Just a little tiny one. If you need to fix it later, you can. But see, I'm just cutting a little bit off from here to the corner, and same thing here. Just a little bit. Okay. Now, same thing with this side. We're going to cut from here to the first score line. Cut that. And same thing on this side. And again with the triangle a little bit. And you can fix it if you need to. I'm sure I'm going to need to fix it a little bit. Especially when it comes to cutting. So we're going to just fold everything on the score lines. Okay, so as I close it, I can see the side's not so bad. This side, I want to take a little bit more off. It's a little off. I just want to take a little bit off. Okay, so you're left with that. So what I'm going to do, I'm thinking what I should ink it up with. Well, first, okay. First, I'll just glue this part, and I'm not gonna glue this because this stops before it gets to the edge there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna glue a line here and here, and just close it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, close it up. So you're left with that, and then you can just close it like that. Now, I have to decorate this. So if you'd like to watch me decorate, I'm gonna decorate it. And if not, if I'm boring you that bad, you can stop watching. So I'm just gonna get a few decorations and doll this up, and I'll be right back. Let me just see what I got. Hold on. Okay, so Deanna Grooms was nice enough to mail me a bunch of her holiday cards last year, and oh, I guess this one wasn't from her. Okay, she mailed me a bunch of cards, but I just happened to see this one. I thought this was from her, but it says to Damien, so that's not her. Anyway, I think I'll cut this out. I'll fussy cut it, and I will put it on this card, and I think it goes well because I'm gonna cut off these arms and maybe just put them back on. I don't know. But I like to use up things I have. I mean, I have a lot of stamps that I can use, but at the same time, if you can use things you already have, do that. You know what? It already has an arm there. Why do we need to make the other arm, right? I'm just going to cut this. I'm going to put a little bit of distressing around it. I have hickory smoke here. I don't really want to do brown, so I think I'm going to just distress all the edges of the envelope with that. Inside part right here. I really should get another vintage photo for home. I have it at work and I use it a lot, but it's good to use this. I want to use something a little different. It's very subtle too. You can't even see it too much. So I think I'm going to put this guy on there, and I think I'm going to ink him up a little bit. I don't know if it's going to matter too much. Okay, so let's put him on there. This is straight. All right. And, you know, I also have this greeting that says holiday cheer. Why can't we use that? No use in bringing out your stamps when you can use something you already have. I could even put this on one of my dies and put like a border around it, but I'm not going to do that. I think I'm just going to cut it. Just going to cut it like this. And I think I'm going to ink it up. Oh, I'm sorry if this keeps shaking. I'm going to ink it a little bit. All right, now where am I going to stick it? I guess I'm going to stick it right there. You know, I don't want to overdo this. This is kind of this is kind of plain, but there's tons of sparkle. There's sparkle in all these berries. The whole snowman is sparkle. There's sparkle here in the greeting, in the greeting. So you know what? I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. So that's gonna be my envelope for my swap, and then we're supposed to fill it with all kind of things. And I already told the girl, I was like, look, I don't even know if I'm gonna make you an envelope because nothing I make is gonna stick in there. I'm gonna give her a bunch of stuff, and I mean some things might fit in here, but she was like, that's fine. But I ended up just making one anyway. So I just wanted to show you quick how to do a 5x7 envelope in case you were interested. And in another video, once I'm done, I'll show you all the embellishments I made for this next swap. So happy crafting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.